What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. As you guys can see by the title and the thumbnail, I'm going to be going with my little cousin. We're going to be going to Daniel's house. We're going to be installing his downpipe that he just got and his charge pipes. So I hope you guys do enjoy the video. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram, and let's continue the rest of the video. What do we have here? This is something you do not do, bro. Like, why? It's not even the right size. Like, do you guys see that? The M badge is like big as hell, and then the 6 is from, he left the 6 on there. Like, oh my gosh, no, this is a big no. Just be happy with what you got. Act totally normal, bro. Don't do anything. I feel about to pull you. I didn't even, damn, bro, I can't believe he ended up behind you. He was pulled over on the side. That's crazy. Damn, you got lucky. If I was driving my car and he was on me, I don't know why I feel like I gotta get pulled over, honestly. Ooh. Those HREs though. I think you gotta go from the other way, it's better. Yeah? Yeah. Yeah, go from the other way. Daniel got a new dog.
Take
Daniel drove to Oklahoma to pick up the dog. Is he even there? We just pulling up in his driveway. Yeah, go for it.
Well, right now, since it's kind of cooling down, probably just the charge pipe.
Yeah.
So I'll just kind of wait and see what.
I think the charge, because I think the downpipe's gonna take the most time, no?
Yeah.
I remember when you did mine. That shit's.
I know. Luckily, this one's just one.
Yeah, that's what I said. It only came with on these cars. It only comes with one.
Yeah.
You gotta lower it. He needs a drop. He needs OLED style taillights. He needs a lot of things. Here's a downpipe from VRSF. It's a nice downpipe. I was gonna get these for my M4, but I came across the Evolution Raceworks one, so I just took that one. It's pretty sick though. Let's get a little thumbnail. I never seen them in red.
I know, this
They
is
usually
a nice
come in
color.
black.
I like it. With this on mineral gray, it's gonna look really good. It's a nice contrast.
It'll pop out a lot, huh?
Yeah.
Pretty sick. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, that's probably good, right? 'Cause it'll pop out.
It gave me the option?
Yeah. They had a red or a black one.
This is nice.
Man, that's pretty
I got
cool.
the red one.
Did they have an orange one? Mark was trying to pick up on the elderly.
You know why? If you get pulled over,
Mark was shooting a shot. And they watching my vlogs. Make sure you guys go watch that video. This video was fun. I had a good time.
you know what I mean?
Nice and fitted.
Oh yeah.
I like the color. It's pretty cool.
Me too. I'm a big
Red?
fan of red. Yeah.
Yeah.
Stock.
That's dope. No, it looks good.
Stock officer.
What did Daniel do? You got a new mod. Sheesh.
So I like the color of the lug nuts.
Damn.
So I switched these out.
Yes,
Bro, yeah. This is nice.
Yes, sir.
That's crazy.
I got the ones on the fenders too, but since these are painted already and they match so good on the Aussie yellow,
okay, yeah.
I didn't want to take them
Damn,
off.
so they even have it for this too on the sides?
Mhm.
Wow.
Yeah, the whole kit comes with everything pretty much, but I just wanted to focus on like the stuff that you can see more visually.
Yeah. No, you could definitely see those too. Alright guys, Dana's gonna start installing the downpipe, but we're gonna get a little before and after.
Hold on, let me connect your air sensor.
Sounds like a Prius. Rev it like 2 times? What happened? Why are they so chewed up?
Maybe he'll have to answer after without the camera on.
Damn. How's it going down there?
Good, good.
I remember
Almost,
at front.
almost got all the bolts out. They're holding it.
20 years.
So,
I just know it was 20 years.
kind of like the last one right there. Everything's already loose. So now,
It's gonna make a big difference, huh?
oh yeah.
It's gonna be sick.
Never be broke again.
I don't know what happened to his tires. God damn. Kind of hard to get to it.
Yeah, there's a bracket that's holding it. So I think I might have to remove the bracket.
It's out of there.
Hey, yeah. Here, let me show
take
you.
over?
Yeah, I'll
Alright.
show these guys right now.
Go for it.
So right now, what I'm having an issue with is that bracket right there. So I'm trying to maneuver it around, even with the O2 sensor. I don't know if you guys can see it. Hopefully you can kind of focus, but in that bracket right there is the one that actually holds the stock downpipe. So maneuvering that little hook right there section and the sensors is the tricky part, but everything else is easy. It's just kind of like moving everything around to get the best angle. Boy,
It came out. You delivered the baby?
there you go.
Damn, that's a big baby, man.
It's about 10 pounds.
Born on January, what is it, 30th? 31st at, what is it, 6 o'clock?
Yeah.
Nice. What are you going to name him?
Caddy.
Nice.
Yeah. So that bracket right there, the one that supports it, is the one that will give you the biggest headache. You know, just gotta be
Yeah.
patient.
You had to cut the umbilical cord out.
I did. So, but
Daniel! Out here delivering
MD.
babies?
Jesus.
Out here taking cats out? Nice. What are you going to name this baby right here?
So basically, we just have the final touches right now. Airbox.
You excited for the cold start?
Yeah, bro. In the mornings.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
Yeah. And right now, this is gonna be loud.
What's it do?
All right, guys, here we go. Let's see how it sounds. Sounds deep. You can hear it. Sounds different. Put everything in sport. Put it in sport. Everything. You have it all in sport?
Sport Plus.
Everything's on Sport Plus or whatever? Nice. Ready for the streets.
Yeah, bro, it definitely sounds way louder than what I was saying.
Doesn't matter. He needs to
Sounds
do
cute.
it.
Nah.
He needs to do once you get the license, we can make it.
Oh,
that right there.
I think it just opened
yeah.
up.
Go ahead. There.
There you go. Oh, you got some little burbles back there.
Yeah.
There you go. It had the valves. That's what it was. You gotta
Give it
wait.
some reps.
You had to wait.
Outside, yeah.
That's what it was. I was like, that sounds way too. There you go. Yeah. Nice. There you go. Yeah, Daniel's driveway is kind of sketch coming out of here. Big mafioso right there. Look at it. Look at it.
Fuck
Big
yeah,
mafioso.
mobbing it. 330.
Big mafioso level. You don't even got an angle with this car, I think.
Go ahead.
Nice. stock, that's for sure.
Yeah, I like the tone.
Yeah, it's like deep.
Yeah.
A little deep tone on it. It sounds like Daniel's M4.
Oh!
Alright, later Daniel.
Later.
Take care of my wheels.
Fresh cut over here.
Fresh haircut, damn.
Oh, I need it, bro. I went too long with it. I was looking like Shaggy.
Take care of my HREs.
I will. I'll keep them nice and warm. Alright, it's gonna be a cold night, so I'll just set the heater on. Nice 772.
Alright, bro, we'll see you later.
Right.
Yeah, so right now you're cadless now. So like in about 2 days, I would say, your check engine light will come on. But if you get the tune, you can take that away, so you won't have that check engine light on there. If you want, just keep it in full sport.
But with the shifters, so I could get used to them.
Yeah, if you want. Go. I'll tell you when to shift. Keep going. Gas it all the way. Shift. Shift. Like that.
And then do you just let it go?
Yeah.
You always drive your car with paddles?
Do I always drive my car with paddles, or always on paddles? Sometimes it gets annoying. Sometimes I'll just be lazy. I'll just throw it in full like automatic and let the car do its thing. But obviously when I'm with the homies, like, you know, we're all like cruising it and shit, yeah, I'll be in paddle. But when I'm just like cruising home or just going somewhere like quick, whatever, I just have it in regular drive.
Yeah.
You know. But yeah, no, it's fun. You'll get used to it. Just keep practicing and driving it.
Yeah.
And you'll like it. You'll get the hang of it, and it's fun. Nice, nice. That's how you go.
Like that, no?
Yeah, you did. Make a left. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. Hope you guys did enjoy it. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. And sorry, you don't have an Instagram, I can't tag your Instagram. But more mods coming to his car pretty soon. I think he's gonna get the tune next. I think he's gonna do suspension. He's gonna do intakes. He got the intakes already on the way. So a bunch of other mods coming to his BMW F30. It's a 330i?
Yeah.
330i. So if you guys have an F30 330i and you guys wanna get some ideas and learn a little bit, I'll be posting more content based on his car. So see you guys on the next one. Take care. Peace.
Peace.